This video will show you how to take messages for a guest. Hotelogix lets you easily accept, track and deliver messages for hotel guests. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation for which you need to accept a message or a parcel. Click Messages Tasks in the context menu that opens. In the Messages tab, select the guest from the For drop-down, or just leave it for room. Type in the message and click OK. The message will start to show in the panel with status pending. Close the Messages Tasks panel. An envelope icon appears indicating pending message for the room number. Please note, this icon appears only for reservations that are checked in. In case the message is for a future reservation, the envelope will appear once the reservation is checked in, which is when the guest arrives. When guest shows up, click the envelope icon to open the message panel. Hand over the message or parcel to the guest. Mark the message as delivered using the drop-down. Click Save to close the panel. Once the message is delivered, the message icon gets removed. Alternatively, you can also add or deliver message from within the reservation. Right-click the reservation. Click View Details in the context menu that opens. The reservation opens in a new tab. Go to Messages and click Add Edit Link to open the panel. In the Messages tab, select the guest from the For drop-down if needed. Type in the message and click OK. The message will start to show in the panel with status pending. Close the Messages Tasks panel. You can see the message showing with status in the reservation form. An envelope icon appears indicating pending message for the room number. This brings us to the end of the video on how to manage messages for a guest.